Hello, good morning. Tawi Remaldora po. In cooking rice, no need to remove the cover. Only reduce the heat by turning its regulator from 2000. You have to turn it down to the lower number. There, 200. While cooking the rice, you will notice after few minutes that it's bubbling out. But no need to remove the cover, as I said earlier, that only reduce the heat by turning down the regulator to the lower number. Our purpose is to minimize the electrical consumption. You can even do this to your traditional cooking stove. It's either wood stove or charcoal stove. Is that clear? Thank you and good morning. I'm Tawi Remaldora.